Today I'm going to show you how to take off your skateboard trucks. I'm going to do one bolt and then you just repeat that 3 more times. So being able to take off your skateboard bolts is pretty important. You're going to need 2 things: a screwdriver and something to hold the bolt. Today what we're going to be using, this. So I could probably use something a little bit bigger, but it's just a skateboard bolt, so it's not a big deal. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab our screwdriver. We're going to get a hold of the bolt. We're going to secure it. And we're going to go and start twisting it. Now you just keep twisting this thing until it starts to get loose. Don't have to hold it the whole time. There we go. Alright, now all you do, you can just use it with the rest of your fingers and you take it off. Do that 3 more times and you know how to work on your skateboard.